Is this Cuzmok cordless vacuum cleaner worth it? That's what I'm going to be covering in this video. First thing I want to show you, extremely lightweight. Based on that alone, I think it's worth considering. This thing is honestly powerful, lightweight, easy to use. It also came highly reviewed. The main way, I will tell you, the number one rubric for buying units successfully on Amazon when you're looking for stuff like this, you want to go to reviews. If hundreds of people are leaving 4.5, 5-star written reviews and they're happy with their purchase afterwards, there's also a sales velocity on this. Tons of people are buying it right now. That gave me the information I needed to know this is probably a good cordless vacuum to go with. I'm really happy I went with it. I don't like the ones with tons of junk. This one has 3 basic attachments, so there's nothing too confusing about it. Battery pack right here. That easily slides off if you need. But you also can mount this on the wall. So you have this mounting unit right here with mounting screws, and that could go like in your laundry room or something, and that would just hang on the wall like that if you wanted it to be more permanent. Let's see. Also, already has a filter installed, but we have 2 replacements as well when the time comes. In order to charge it, all we do is just take this cord, plug it into the bottom here, plug the end into the wall. That'll charge up in a few hours, and you're going to get 50 minutes solid of vacuum time here. So that's really nice as far as a cordless vacuum goes. Now, the main unit right here. See, this is super easy to use, dude. Literally just push it on and you're good to go. And then basically, this thing has a detangle thing. So you're not going to have to worry about stuff getting stuck in there like normally happens. And then all we do is just hit the trigger and we're on. Now you can see how charged it is. So we have about a 50% charge right now. The other thing is we can adjust power levels right here. So we have 3 levels. We're on level 1. That's level 2. That's level 3. This thing's amazing. It even has an LED light showing you where there's more dust or debris that you want to make sure you get. Let's just show you how easy this is to adjust, dude. So you could detach it here, but we can also detach it here, and that's what we're going to do. We have this unit. This is the one I like to use in my car for the cracks and crevices, also in the couches as well. So right here in the chair, we can just easily get into the cracks and crevices and get some of that gunk that you're otherwise going to miss. One more change. Put this on. This is going to be great. Now you could use it if you have a high wall. You could put the longer neck on, or if you're able to get everything just like this, you can kind of get dust off of the corners of your ledges and stuff like that. So just again, extremely versatile, but also not overkill. It's very simple and easy to use, extremely lightweight. Hundreds of people are buying it. I bought it. What are you going to do?